All right, welcome back, everybody. Today we are going to kind of change it up a little bit, and we're going to talk about how we add radicals together. We've been spending all of our time simplifying and multiplying, and now we're going to get into how we add. So a couple of things you want to know. We can only combine radicals together if they have like radicals. This is what I mean by a like radical. Notice how this is the square root of 6, the square root of 6, and the square root of 6. If they all have the square root of 6, then they all can be combined together. So in this situation, negative 2 take away 2 plus 3 is what we need to do. So on our calculator, we're going to type in negative 2 minus 2 plus 3, and we get negative 1. So all of this is going to be able to combine to be negative 1 square root of 6. Notice how the inside number didn't change. When we put these together, as long as they have the same number, it does not matter. They just all go together. Now, if you look at this one's a little different. This one has a square root of 5. This one has a square root of 5. But this one does not have a square root of 5. So what that means is I'm going to be able to put these two together, but not this one. Here's how this is going to work. So if I have negative 2 plus 2, I get 0. So I'll have 0 square roots of 5 plus 3 square roots of 2, and this would be my final answer. Now, notice how we still kind of have two different groups here, and that's okay because they didn't have like radicals. You can only combine stuff that has like radicals, so if they don't get combined, they don't get combined. Remember, you always need to simplify here too. Let's do another one. Let's look at problem number 5 for a minute. So if you're looking at problem number 5, right now, they definitely do not have like radicals. One has a 5 and one has a 20. But here's what we do know. We do know how to simplify radicals. And if you can simplify a radical, you always should, because even if you can't combine them, we want to make our answer as simple as possible. So if you come over here to 20, 20 would be 2 and 10 would be 2 and 5. So I could rewrite the square root of 20 as 2 times 2 times 5. And then I'm going to have 3 square roots of 5 on the other side. Now, remember, we always want to do our 2-for-1 special if possible. So 2 of the same, let's pull 1 to the outside. So we're going to get 2 times 2, which is 4. And we still have the 5 inside, so 4 square roots of 5. And then 3 square roots of 5 in front of that. Now, if you look, when we simplified it, initially when we started, we did not have like radicals. But now, after we simplified, notice how our radicals became the same. So, if that's the case, then I can do 3 take away 4. 3 take away 4 is a negative 1 square root of 5, which will be my answer. Nice job. Let's do another one. Okay, look at number 7. Again, they're not like radicals. So what we want to do is we want to come through and simplify the radicals. So 45 is 9 and 5. 9 is 3 and 3. While we're here, let's break down 20 as well. 20 is 4 and 5, and 4 is 2 and 2. So I can rewrite this as, now notice I'm going to copy down everything. So I have the negative, so I have my negative. Now I'm going to write my code. So 335 inside, 335. And then plus 3. And then I'm going to write my code, which is 225 for the second one. Now remember, if you have any 2-for-1 specials, you need to do those. We have a 2-for-1 right here, so we're going to be able to pull a 3 out. So now this will become negative 3. And then we'll have a 2 over here we can pull out. 3 times 2, that's going to give us 6. So I'm going to get 6 square roots of 5 for the second one. And for the first one, I'm going to get negative 3 square roots of 5. And now, if you notice that those are actually like radicals, so they can be combined, right? Square root of 5, square root of 5, that means we can just combine the outside numbers. So negative 3 plus 6. Negative 3 plus 6 is 3. So I get 3 square roots of 5, just like so. Nice job. Let's go to do another one. I don't know how many more I'm going to do, but I'll definitely do one. Let's go to, how about number 9? Just the next one in line. Now, when we're doing this, remember, if they don't have like radicals, you can't put them together. But one thing you always need to do is simplify if possible. So 18 is 9 and 2. 9 is 3 and 3. 8 is 4 and 2. And 4 is 2 and 2. At this point, we can rewrite these. So I'm going to have negative 2 square roots of 2, 3, 3, minus 3 square roots of 2, 2, 2. Let's do any 2 for 1 special. So we have a 2 for 1 special right here. And we have a 2 for 1 special right here. So I'm going to have negative 2 times 3 square roots of 2 minus 3 times 2, because we pulled out that 2, right? Square roots of 2, because it was left over. Negative 2 times 3 is going to give us a negative 6 square root of 2. Negative 3 times 2 is going to give us a negative 6 square root of 2. Now notice, these both ended up with like radicals, so we can combine them. So if I have negative 6, take away 6, I would get negative 12, and then we just keep whatever was in the square root the exact same as it was. Nice job. I'm going to leave the rest of the problems for you. If you run into any, oh, let's do one more. Look at this one. Look at this one. This one's so nice. This one already has a square root of 6 and a square root of 6. So all you need to do to finish this is you just need to add, since they already have like radicals. So negative 2 plus 2 is 0. So I'm going to get 0 square roots of 6. Perfect. Nice job. Let's leave it there. You guys have a little bit of work to do. Remember, the rest of these problems are yours for your homework. If you have any questions, though, please make sure you're reaching out and getting help. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.